How to activate Simple Mobile SIM card. So first of all, the first and the most important step is you need to insert the SIM card. Power off your phone and then insert the Simple Mobile SIM card into your phone SIM slot. Then power on your mobile device. As for the activation of your SIM card, there are two methods. Either you can go with the text activation or you can go with call activation. So as for the text, you're just gonna need to simply write the text to the number which is shown up on your screen right now. As for the message, you just need to type one step and simply send the message. The other method is you need to call the Simple Mobile customer services. So as for the number, you just need to type this particular number that is shown up on your screen and follow the automated instructions or speak to the representative. You may need to restart your phone once the activation is completed and make a text call or send a text message to ensure that your SIM card is active and working properly. So that's the way of how you can activate Simple Mobile SIM card.